Carlin Ryan's an email to her friend about work. Hi Christina, I am sorry I am left lock for some luck. How are you? How is you your new apartment? I have been very busy as work. I am right at the office at 7 am. I leave at around 6:30 p.m. I just get I am over for lunch and I for a minute break the morning and the afternoon. I am very yesterday when I get home some and just it watch some television and go to bed. In OPEX, I am a day phone all days, listening to gastronom bank plays I am internet day into ever came user system. I have the end day and though I have to write a summary all day calls. I receive running day I have my books. Yesterday and they came pleasant. There are yourself. I do not know how much longer I can do it. I need a vacation, or even better, I wonder, yes, I love her weekend.